In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5G, and let me show you how to hide caller ID on this device, how to make your phone number private. So at first, let's open your phone dialer, tap on more icon then, and select settings. Here, pick call-in accounts right here, and go to carrier call settings. Then you need to reach additional settings, wait a couple of seconds, and now pick the first tab, which is My Number. And here you can either hide or show caller ID. So as you want to hide it, just pick this first option, and from now on your number will be hidden in all outgoing calls. And this is it, that would be all. This is how you can protect your privacy, how you can hide your caller ID. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.